Happy Halloween season, everyone! I am busy practicing many face paint designs that have been inspired by designs I've seen all over the internet. With this skeleton, I decided to go with brown as my main color. I'm going to fill in the gums brown. And above, I'm going to fill in around the inside of the eye, also brown. I'm going to go in with black, smudge it with my finger, up and in towards the gum line to create a sense of depth. Now the side of the cheek over here, where the teeth curve out of sight, that I'm going to fill in entirely black. And smudge it over a little bit to blend it. Now I'm going to do the same on the eyes. Fill in black and then smudge it down into the brown just a touch. And I'm going to repeat on the other eye. And now for a little bit of black lowlights up in the nostrils and a little bit on the skull and the cheekbones. I'm going to touch up the outline, the brown outline of the mouth with little black cracks. And touch up between the teeth. Now this looks good, but it would look even better if I take some red and I splash the red across the mouth. I can tap the brush with my other hand, or I can tap the brush with my finger. Happy Halloween!